Hey y'all, it's me, your girl Karma Sweet, and welcome back to my channel. So first thing first, we're going to jump into this video. We're going to do a curly updo. My hair is already pre-stretched. I had it in 2 cornrows for about a week after my perm rod look. Check out the video if you haven't seen it. And secondly, I want to give a shout out to my cousin Beautiful Endeavor for making me these t-shirts for my channel. Y'all check out her Instagram for if you need any crystals, any sages, any incense. Y'all check her out. She got a little bit of everything for you. Let's jump right into the video. So we're going to be doing a curly updo on stretch hair so we can get a little bit more, so we can get some good length. So it's going to be a bang and a high puff. So I start in the middle and we're just going to part across to part off our bang. I like to go up a little, like center your head. Give it more volume. From the one side of your eyebrow at a slant and bring it down to the next side of your eyebrow at a slant. Up top, I'ma just do alright, so we're gonna work on the bang first. So get you some rods. So I'm gonna split this down the middle. And I'm gonna do 2 each side. And I'm gonna just spritz. With some water. Just a light damp. Because I already kind of have product in my hair. And we're going to flat twist down. Regular rodding technique, we're just gonna twirl it against up on the rod. y'all, so it's the next day. So I had to run out last night and I ended up taking my rulers out, and then when I got back home like 3 hours later, I put it back in. So I don't think their curl is going to be as strong as I want them to, but we're going to work with what we got. So I'm going to start by taking the big rollers out, not the ones in the front. So if you need some bobby pins to shape it, you just want to shape your puff and bang to how you want them to look. Thank you for watching. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. So once again, I had to take my rollers out for a while yesterday, so that's why it's not as defined or higher up like it could have been, but it's still cute. Yeah, so thanks for watching.